back to my channel. This is Shivani before you. At first, wish you all a happy Republic Day. On the eve of Republic Day, I am having some students of my academy, those who wants to say important lines about Republic Day. So, without delaying, let's start our today's session.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Chaitanya Anand. Today I am going to say few words on Republic Day. First, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. This year we are celebrating our 22nd Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Before independence, India was under British rule. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. Hence, this day is very important for the citizens, peoples and army of the India. India became a secular and democratic country on this day. India was under British rule before independence. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the whole world. India became a democratic and secular country on this day. Indian Constitution gives us our fundamental rights like freedom of speech, education and religion. Republic Day is very important for us too as the Independence Day. In this day, we salute three-colored flag, people, citizens and army who keep safe the flag and pride of our nation. Thank you for all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
All teachers and my dear friends, I am Kush Kumar. First wish to all you are happy Republic Day. I am going to say some important lines on Republic Day. Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on January 26. Since 1950 on the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. India was a colony of British for over 200 years and became independent from the rule of the British Raj following the Indian independence movement. After a lot of hard work, the Constitution was finally drafted on January 26. Was chosen as the day to declare India as the best democratic world. India is the best country on the world. I proud of me Indian. I love my country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning. My name is Muskan Kumari. At first, Happy Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day of India on 26 January. It is a national festival of India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. We almost request our and sing national anthem Jana Gana Mana. It is celebrated everywhere in our India. A big parade is held at India Gate in New Delhi. We should never forget our freedom fighter and their sacrifice. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
And my dear friends, I am Love Kumar. First wish you all a happy Republic Day. I am going to say some important lines on Republic Day. Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on January 26 since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. India was a colony of British for over 200 years. India became independent from the rule of the British Raj following Indian independence movement. After a lot of hard work, the Constitution was finally drafted on January 26. Was chosen as the day to declare India as the sovereign republic. The draft of the Constitution was submitted to the India Constituent Assembly on 4 November 1947. India will be celebrating its 72nd Republic Day this year. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning, respectively, teachers and all my dear friends. I am from Asin Academy. My name is Sarthak. Now I am going to say some important line to Subhash Chandra Bose. India's most loved iconic Subhash Chandra Bose or Netaji was known for his rousing motivation, for his speech, "Give me blood and I promise you freedom." Now, member to Burma to the membership in the National Army 1994 to the most popular. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
So they were the students, those who spoke some important lines about Republic Day. So that's all for today. See you in next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.